Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to remove OneDrive from your PC, which is installed when you installed Windows on your PC. That automatically installed, and that takes a lot of time to open your PC, and that takes a lot of space on your PC. So I'm showing you how to remove this. uh, First of all, I have to go to control panel, then I install program, then I'm searching for OneDrive. mm, one Yes, this one, Microsoft OneDrive. Here you are seeing this takes 102 MB, so I want to remove this one. Install. Yes, I think this will remove the OneDrive. Here you are seeing there is no icon for OneDrive. By this way you can remove and you can make your PC faster. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and comment on my video. If you want any new solution for your PC, then you can comment me and I will try my best to find out the solution. Thank you guys.